Hi friends, it's Solo's Creative Corner, and this is a quill doll that I made for Halloween that I'd share. Made her a little doll and a basket full of goodies. Now I'm working on a Christmas doll. Just using this simple kit. Although I don't follow the kit, I am inspired by the dolls, and so I create my own style. And right now I'm working on this Christmas one, and it's kind of like a puzzle. You make all these little pieces and show you how to make these basic quilting, and you just follow along and make a bunch of them. And then once you do it, then you start to fill up the pattern. Here I have some flowers and some loose circles. And then I have some scrolls. And then I have some triangles. And I'm just playing to create my quill dolls. I made her a wing. I just have to attach her arm and then get her finished up and add her to my little collection on there. Anyway, hope you all are having a great day. Stay crafty, be safe, and then until the next time I make a video, bye for now.